In this video, you will find 1. What is a volcano? 2. What does a volcano look like? 3. Where do we find volcanoes? 4. Living near a volcano. 5 dangers of a volcano. 6 facts about volcanoes. A volcano is a landscape. It is a mountain with a hole in the top. Volcanoes are found all over the world. A volcano has a deep hole that goes down into the earth. Far below the ground, it becomes very hot. There are layers of melted or liquid rock under the surface. What you see now is the hot mass bursting out through the funnel, and this hot mass is called lava. As lava flows down the slope of the volcano, it cools and then hardens. Every time a volcano erupts, a new layer of lava is deposited on the mountainside. This is how a volcano grows. Many volcanoes are shaped like steep cones, but others can be flatter or dome-shaped depending on the type of eruptions. The shape depends on the type of lava and eruption style. Steep cone volcano has tall, steep sides, formed by thick lava that cools quickly and doesn't spread far. Often has explosive eruptions. Example: Mount Fuji in Japan. Dome-shaped volcano has a rounded, gentle shape, formed by very thick lava that oozes out slowly and piles up near the vent. Eruptions are usually less explosive but can still be powerful. Example: Mount St. Helens lava dome in the USA. The bowl-shaped hole at the top of a volcano is called crater. The opening or pipe through which lava, gas, and ash come out from inside the earth is called vent. Volcanoes can be found in many parts of the world, both in warm and cold countries. Most volcanoes are found where the Earth's plates meet. These plates are huge pieces of the Earth's crust that slowly move. Some volcanoes are also found in the middle of these plates, where very hot rock comes up from deep inside the Earth. Volcanoes found in warm countries are mountains that can erupt with hot lava, ash, and gases. These volcanoes are often located in places near the equator, where the weather is usually hot. Examples of warm countries with volcanoes include Indonesia, Philippines, Mexico, Tanzania, Ecuador, Guatemala, and Costa Rica. Volcanoes in cold places are like hot mountains in the snow. They can still erupt with lava, even when it's freezing outside. The heat from the volcano can melt ice and snow quickly. Examples of volcanoes in cold countries include Iceland, Russia, USA, Alaska, and Italy. Did you know? Japan has volcanoes in both warm and cold regions. The southern part of Japan is warm or tropical. The northern part is cold and snowy. The middle part of Japan has mild weather, neither too hot nor too cold. It is where Mount Fuji is. The land around a volcano is often very fertile and suitable for farming. Some people live close to volcanoes, even though they can be dangerous. Why people live near volcanoes? 1. Fertile soil. The ash from old eruptions makes the soil rich and good for growing crops like fruits, vegetables, and rice. 2. Hot springs. The heat from volcanoes warms the water underground, creating hot springs where people can bathe and relax. 3. Tourism. Many tourists visit volcanoes, so people can earn money by running hotels, restaurants, or as guides. 4. Tradition and home. Some families have lived there for many generations and don't want to move. Examples of people living near volcanoes. Indonesia, near Mount Merapi and Mount Bromo. People farm rice, vegetables, and coffee. Japan, near Mount Fuji and Mount Aso. People enjoy hot springs and tourism. Italy, near Mount Vesuvius. Families grow grapes and make wine. Philippines, near Taal and Mayon volcanoes. Good for farming and tourism. Hawaii, USA, near Kilauea and Mauna Loa. People grow fruits and flowers, popular with tourists. Ecuador, near Cotopaxi volcano. Farmers grow crops in rich volcanic soil. Volcanoes can be very dangerous when they erupt. They throw out hot lava, ash, and gases that can burn land and houses. Even after an eruption, the land can stay unsafe for a long time because of earthquakes and toxic gases. How do people stay safe during a volcano eruption? When a volcano starts to erupt, people have to act quickly and carefully to stay safe. 1. Listen to warnings. Scientists and the government give warnings on the radio, TV, or phone when a volcano might erupt. 2. Leave the area. Evacuate. People move away from the volcano to safe places like schools, halls, or shelters. 3. Wear masks and cover their faces. They use masks or cloths to protect themselves from breathing in ash. 4. Stay indoors, if it's safe. If they cannot leave, they stay inside, close windows and doors, and wait for the ash to stop falling. 5. Follow rescue teams. Rescue workers and police help people find safe places and give them medicine, food, and shelter. Fact 1. The word volcano comes from Vulcan, the Roman god of fire. Fact 2. There are more than 1,500 active volcanoes on Earth today. Fact 3. Most volcanoes are found around the Pacific Ocean in an area called the Ring of Fire. Indonesia has the most active volcanoes in the world. Fact 4. The largest volcano on Earth is Mauna Loa in Hawaii, USA. Fact 5. The tallest volcano in the solar system is Olympus Mons on Mars. That's all for now! Thank you for watching and subscribe to the channel, Afra's Learning Domain.